They send you a letter to come back home to play, but to your dismay, this isn't your day, for the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you abandoned, or dismantled, or mishandled, but we won't be skipped and swayed. Trapped within these walls, you left our souls to drip away. The ink decayed, the walls are bay, but a reckoning has come today. You say, Loris has no guts, cause you replace it with mechanical stream. We've been tortured, but we move forward. This disorder kills your day. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what in need. Oh, now you must have built up a machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build up a machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build up a machine. You die tonight. So you pound over pieces to initiate the pain. Our venom stains, our knife remains, but the ending's always just the same, no gain. Nod your head to the beat of death as you draw your last eternal breath. Sensations of an invasion start to course right through your veins. You say we have no brains, we're just cartoons for your betrayal. To tell some tale by the boat and sail, but sure this inevitably unveils the fail. Splashes of eternal hate will flood the floor and clean your slate. Now we're the tools and you're the fool, a nightmare dominate. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what in need. Oh, now you must have built up a machine. You die tonight. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what in need. Oh, now you must have built up a machine. You die tonight. Machine, you die tonight. I'm aware that your soul is now divine. We cannot tow even broken chains, so don't tow with us like he did to our shining star. So prepare for revenge of the whole new creature from the darkest side. You gotta take a seat and pay we feel created as monsters that come to life. Come back to life. So you come to the end now, alive but dead inside. The heartbeat's loud, you've joined our crowd. We are but punished serpentines. Your life with him was fun, but now the terror's only just begun. Now come with me and you will see we're a newborn cyanide. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what in need. Oh, now you must have built up a machine. You die tonight. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure what in need. Oh, now you must have built up a machine. You die tonight. Tonight.
You look great. Have you considered though?
Build up a machine, you die tonight.